The main pavilion is located at an industrial site near Tangshan in Nanjing. Tangshan was once the cradle of national industry in the early 20th century, and many small private factories have hatched in the valley for decades, including the Jinjia and Kuanyuan cement factories. As construction bases for the project, the two factories, built in the 1970s, still retain typical period features. The new building adopts a lightweight steel lattice system, which creates a contrast in readability with existing industrial buildings. The refined structural reinforcement and spatial placement effectively solve the complex problems of space utilization, reinforcement system, and external enclosure structure renewal brought about by the renovation of existing industrial buildings. Design adopts a light intervention design strategy, in which groups of small buildings are placed in the open space between the reserved heritages, creating a strong contrast with the closed old factory buildings. At the same time, the industrial characteristics and skyline contours of the original building are retained, so that the ruins can reborn into a modern horticultural exhibition hall full of greenery. The construction land is a complex mountain with steep height difference and narrowness, and the high density brings difficulties in the combination of building groups, section design, and site organization. Fine use of mountain terrain to reduce land filling and mountain destruction.
We hope that the design can provide users a unique feeling, inspire them, create an interesting time and space experience, and carry the rich context and memories of the site. In this land, people have created miracles of urban development and wealth accumulation through hot industrial production, and have also ushered in reflections on environmental problems after unlimited extraction of natural resources. Our vision is to adhere to the core values of green design as much as possible, and to make limited modifications through authentic and restrained methods. I hope that the renovated industrial heritage can experience improvements in structure, temperature and humidity, lighting, and other performance aspects. Space is more open, flexible, and adaptable to graft and certain new formats and functions. The appearance image not only retains the traces of the past, but also serves as a carrier of new technology and the spirit of the new era, from an abandoned space to a more sustainable and vibrant building.